everybody, it's Jill Fraser here, and I'd like to discuss with you a little bit about website SEO audits. Now, an SEO site audit analyzes the search visibility of your website. It gives you a deeper understanding of how your site generates traffic or improves sales and conversions. Keywords, tags, backlinks used to get ranks, but it doesn't anymore. Search engines are looking for more intelligent data like site speed, responsiveness, relevant content, authority, technical codes, and other things you may not even know just yet what they even mean. They unfortunately are a necessary evil. Audits are essential because search engines are constantly changing how they compute search results when someone performs a query. If you don't regularly conduct site audits, you may not be optimized for the results. You can stuff keywords until you're blue in the face, and it won't improve your chances of ranking. You can perform a site audit yourself to hone in on metrics critical to your business, or you can use SEO audit tools for more comprehensive looks at areas you may not have thought of about before. They unfortunately do take time. In-depth SEO site audits are not quick. You'll need to set aside a few days to do it properly. You want to ensure you find all of the issues and create actionable direction on how to improve. Every audit, whether you do it or somebody else does it, should include the following: a technical audit to make sure your site is responsive, an on-site audit including a full review of all pages for proper keyword use, an off-site audit analyzing backlinks, anchor text, authority, and trust, and a social audit reviewing mentions and visibility. The resulting information provides a detailed analysis of how your website performs in search and social media. Included in the results is a list of action items with explanations and a marketing strategy enabling you to take advantage of opportunities for improvement. And yes, an outside audit is very, very expensive. You may not be able to afford it. And depending on what level you're at and what your business is all about, you may decide that the alternative is better. There are SEO audit tools available online to run your own audit. And you can start impacting changes, and it's not as difficult as it used to be to do this on your own because these tools all have guides. The following slides will review how to format, basically what you'll need to do to check for your checks and balances on your website and how it might be ranking or might be critical for your SEO status. Number 1, your web pages, titles, and descriptions. Titles and descriptions should be unique for each page. If the user can't tell from the title what the page is about, then rework it. The report should provide direction and let the user know what problem that page solves. Number 2, the URLs. The URL is a string of text with no spaces, but that doesn't mean it's hard to read. In fact, it should help the user identify precisely where they are on your site. For example, www.format.com/this-is-correct tells a visitor what website they are on and which subpage they are viewing. URLs typically contain keywords, include hyphens for separate words, and are unique for each page. and are less than 255 characters long. And the following is very, very important. And I suggest, if you need to, review it several times till you know it by heart. Text formatting includes tags, bold, italics for emphasis. Lists break up big blocks of text, helping with readability. Unique content helps with indexing and prevents the assignment of penalties from search engines. High quality content is free of spelling and grammar errors. Maintaining a frequent posting schedule helps keep content fresh and relevant. And just like social media, images are key. Images make a web page easier to read and more attractive for sharing on social media. Be sure your images don't affect page load times, or it can work against you. File names should describe what the image is about and should have an ALT tag or alt tag. Consider compressing images to minimize their size if you use a lot of them. And lastly, the menu. What your visitor to your website will use to navigate and find the pages that they're looking for. Define your main menu. Keep your interface and navigation consistent across all pages. Group content into relevant categories and pages. Make your contact pages easily accessible and implement breadcrumbs or another identifier on all internal pages. Users need to know where they are and how to get back. Recognize that your website may be looked at on a desktop, on a laptop, and iPad or a similar device, and the phones, your smartphones. And needless to say, we've touched on this many times, social media links for optimization. Social media affects SEO in the form of links and exposure. You can optimize your site for sharing by adding images, make it easy to read, and keep content blocks short. Ensure you have a presence on social media so followers can tag, tweet, and spread the word about your brand. Remember, this is all about optimization. And promote. Promoting your website online goes beyond SEO. Performing a site audit involves looking outside of your SEO strategy to things like mobile, customer education, and the big picture. An SEO audit identifies missing opportunities, finds potential customers, and suggests ways to reach them. It's a complete assessment of errors or issues, and many online tools will suggest improvements based on those results. And hopefully you got enough information from this, and maybe it will spark you into looking into these online tools for creating your own audit. Your website visibility is key for your business success. Thank you.